How to insert videos. Inserting videos and other kinds of embedded content is really easy with Beamer. Beamer is compatible with YouTube, Vimeo, Loom, Wistia, Vidyard, and Instagram, and more than 1,000 other apps. So let's get to it. Let's insert a video. I'm already in my post-editing screen, as you can see. And to insert a video, I copied already a URL from one of our videos on our YouTube channel. And we're gonna go to content to write the content, and we're gonna say, check out this new video. Okay. And I'm gonna paste my video here. So to insert a video or embedded content, just go to this icon here that says insert embedded content. I'm gonna click on it, and you can see that you only need to paste the URL. I already have it copied, so I'm gonna paste it, and voila, we have our video. This is a video about product marketing that we produced for our YouTube channel. So if you wanna check it out, you can go there. But that's it. It's already here. So we're gonna, what is product marketing? And I'm gonna publish this because we're ready to go. If you wanna delete a video, you can just click on this. You can hover over the video and click on that X that says remove. And you can also copy the URL by clicking on this icon. But for now, we're gonna publish. And as you can see here on our feed, our post is published. If you wanna see it in action, we can preview it. And you can see in our widget that our video is right here. We can even click on it and reproduce it directly from the widget. That is amazing. And that's it. Thanks for watching.